Hello, my name is Bruce Whitfield, and this is Homework 7 for ECEN 423, Section 1. This right here is a simulation for the test bench since the finite state machine controls the shift register and the counter, I decided to show the waveform for the simulation for my test bench showing the shift register and then showing the counter. So to start off, initially I have the clear enabled, and whenever I have clear enabled, it sets my temp signal to 0, which sets my output to 0. Now I have clear disabled, clock enabled. My select bit is 3-bit select bit is set to 1, and my input is 4-bit input is 1. The 1-bit input for shift right is set to 1, and shift right is enabled. Now, what happens is you have 1 for the input. It shifts right, and it moves the 3 most significant bits, which are all zeros, over 1, and then pops the 1 out. Now, it wants me to put the 1-bit input, which is the INPSR, where the least significant bit is, which would make the value, instead of 0, 1, which I have for my output. Next, in my finite state machine, I have it set up in state 0. It clears the shift register, like right here. And at state 1, it performs a shift right. And at state 4 in the finite state machine, it performs a shift. At state 3, it performs a state rotate right. And what happens when it rotates right, I have clock enabled. I have the select bit is 3, and the input is still 1, and I have rotate right enabled, and that results in so it rotates right. I have 1. If it rotates right, it brings that 1 to the most significant bit, making it 8, as it is. And so that concludes the waveform for my test bench's shift register.